From dry cleaner to godmother of AI, it's a story that proves even the most unexpected beginnings can lead to world-changing innovation. Fei-Fei Li, whose AI startup World Labs is now valued at over $1 billion, started her American journey not in a Silicon Valley office, but behind the counter of a family-owned dry cleaning shop. Lakshmi Varanasi reported that Fei-Fei Li, the visionary founder of World Labs, arrived in the United States from China at the age of 15. To support her family, she dedicated 7 years to running their dry cleaning business. According to Fei-Fei Li, this experience wasn't just about pressing clothes. It was a formative period that instilled a deep sense of resilience and resourcefulness, qualities she credits for fueling her ambition to shape the future of artificial intelligence. Every influential figure has a unique origin story, and Fei-Fei Li, often referred to as the godmother of AI, is no exception. Li, a distinguished Stanford professor, is renowned for her groundbreaking work on ImageNet, a massive visual database that has revolutionized the field of computer vision. Now, she's channeling her expertise into World Labs, a fledgling AI startup that, remarkably, achieved a valuation exceeding $1 billion within its first year. But here's where it gets controversial. Some argue that such rapid valuations are symptomatic of an AI bubble, while others see it as a testament to Li's visionary leadership and the immense potential of her work. What do you think? Her path to AI stardom, however, began in a far more unassuming setting. At 15, Li immigrated to the United States from China and immediately stepped up to help her parents make ends meet by managing their dry cleaning business in Parsippany, New Jersey. In an interview with Bloomberg, Li recounted, "We were not financially very well off at all. My parents were doing cashier jobs and I was doing Chinese restaurant jobs. My family and I decided to run a little dry cleaner shop to make some money to survive." This illustrates the sacrifices and hard work that underpinned her early years in America. Li jokingly refers to herself as the CEO of the dry cleaning operation. She managed the business for 7 years, starting at the age of 18 and continuing even into her graduate studies. This dedication highlights her unwavering commitment to her family and her exceptional ability to juggle multiple responsibilities. According to her LinkedIn profile, Li chose Princeton University for her undergraduate studies, strategically keeping her close to her parents' business. Even while pursuing her PhD at Caltech in California, she continued to manage the dry cleaning business remotely, demonstrating her exceptional organizational skills and unwavering dedication. "I was the one who spoke English. So I took all the customer phone calls, I dealt with the billing, the inspections, all the business," she explained. And this is the part most people miss. It wasn't just about language skills, it was about learning to navigate complex systems, manage customer expectations, and solve problems on the fly, skills that are invaluable in any field, including AI. This experience, she emphasizes, instilled in her the crucial value of resilience, the principle that continues to guide her career. As a scientist, you have to be resilient because science is a nonlinear journey. Nobody has all the solutions. You have to go through such a challenge to find an answer. And as an immigrant, you learn to be resilient, she stated. This underscores the importance of perseverance in the face of challenges, a lesson learned not in a classroom, but in the real-world crucible of running a small business. At World Labs, Li is pursuing ambitious goals. She is focused on developing what she calls world models. These are AI models designed to leverage spatial intelligence, which Li defines as the ability for AI to understand, perceive, reason and interact with the world. It comes from a continuation of visual intelligence. Think of it as giving AI a sense of common sense about the physical world. A growing number of AI experts believe that world models represent the next significant leap in the AI revolution. Some argue that large language models, LLMs, which rely primarily on language data, have inherent limitations. World models, on the other hand, aim to create a more holistic understanding of the world, enabling AI to perform more complex and nuanced tasks. Li points out that ImageNet, her earlier work on a comprehensive visual dataset, laid the groundwork for world models. It provided AI systems with a vast library of visual information, enabling them to recognize and categorize objects with unprecedented accuracy. At the heart of Li's research is the fundamental belief that visual information, as a passive means of understanding the world, is a critical foundation for enabling real-world action. This remains a key objective for leading AI innovators, including Meta's chief AI scientist, Yann LeCun, who recently announced his departure to launch his own world model startup. This highlights the growing importance and potential of world models in the AI landscape. The common thread connecting Li's research and her personal journey is her insatiable curiosity. "I was always a curious kid, and then my curiosity had an outlet, which was science, and that really grounded me," she shared with Bloomberg. "I wasn't curious about nightclubs or other things. I was an avid lover of science." This illustrates the power of curiosity and passion in driving innovation and achieving extraordinary success. Fei-Fei Li's story is a testament to the power of hard work, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. From running a dry cleaning business to pioneering the future of AI, her journey is an inspiration to aspiring scientists and entrepreneurs around the world. What aspects of Fei-Fei Li's journey do you find most inspiring or relatable? Do you believe her experience running a small business gave her a unique advantage in the field of AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below.